Hello everyone, welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In this video, we'll explore how to configure and manage combo products in Odoo 17 point of sale application. Combo products is a feature designed to improve the sales process by allowing businesses to group multiple products into a single offer. This tool is particularly useful for industries such as restaurants, retail, and fast food chains, where customers often prefer predefined combination of products. It provides convenience, increases sales, and maintains operational efficiency. So let's dive into our Odoo database and see how it works.
The first step is to create the main product that will represent your combo. To do this, navigate to the point of sale module, go to the products, and click new to create a new one. But what I would like to show you is an existing combo product, which is called the burger menu combo. When you create a new item in the product form, make sure you set the product type to combo. This step is crucial as it does order to treat this product as a bundle rather than a single item. Once you configure the other options of the main product, the next step is to define the items included in the combo. So let's switch to the Combo Choices tab, click Add a line, and select the pre-configured combinations you want to add. You can also create a new combination at this stage by clicking New in the pop-up window. And here you can name it and select the product you want to add to this combo choice. You can also specify an extra price and compare it with the original price. Remember that the sales price of the combo product is fixed and doesn't vary based on the individual prices of the included items or the quantity of items in the combo. The combo product price is only affected by the extra price, optionally defined at the combo choice creation, or if a variant of one of the items has a specified extra price. All combo choices can also be found and created by clicking on the product combos under the products tab. Okay, once you've created the combo choices and added them to a product, you're ready to sell combos in your shop or restaurant. So let's open a POS session and create an order that includes our pre-configured combo product. From here, we can have a choice of burgers as well as a choice of drink. If a product has variants, we can also select them here. As a reminder, we can see the extra price under the associated choices. Now let's click on Add to Order and proceed to payment. Here we can see the total price, including any taxes and additional charges. Once we select the payment method and validate the transaction, our order is done. After the sale is complete, Odoo makes it easier to check the details. Let's exit this session and go back to the backend. Under the Orders tab, if we select the order we've just completed, you'll see the main product burger menu combo along with all its components listed individually. And that's how you can configure, manage, and sell combo products in Odoo 17. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.